Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
We're currently on a 5 to 6 week road trip through the States.
This is something we have been planning for a long time. If you watched our video at the start of the year about our goals for 2023, this was one of them. So we have started off going through Montana, Wyoming and Utah for a ski trip. And then we are headed to Vegas for a concert and then over to California, Oregon and Washington. We have plenty planned.
Currently in Jackson Hole, which is something I've wanted to do for a long time. So skiing that hill today was pretty cool.
Yeah, we've got Mountain Collective passes. We bought them this year. So we've been doing a few ski resorts in the States that are included in our pass, so we don't have to pay for them. But we are just traveling super cheap in our van. We've made some changes to our setup. You'll probably see them throughout the video. But yeah, we're traveling on a budget. We're keeping track of what we spend every day. So we'll fill you guys in if this is kind of a style you want to travel with as well. But we are just going with the flow and we are having a blast so far.
Enjoy the video, guys.
So to catch you guys up with the first few days of our trip, we left Banff at about 5 p.m. and then we drove down to the border on the first day. So that's about a 4.5 hours drive. We crossed the border at about 10 p.m. The border crossing we went to is 24 hours. It's the second time we've crossed the land border between Canada and the States, and it's seamless. We have had a good experience every time. So we went just over the border. We parked at a rest stop, slept in our car for the night. And then the next day we had about a 5.5 hour drive down to Big Sky. So that was actually our first stop. It's in Montana. It is a humongous ski hill. We had beautiful blue sky every day. We'll put some videos in for you guys. So yeah, we spent 2 nights in Big Sky. Loved it. Cute little town, very modern. And then we've driven down to Jackson Hole, as Tristan mentioned. So that was another, I think about 4 hours, just under 4 hours. It's all right around Yellowstone, which is the national park we've really wanted to go to. We stopped in West Yellowstone, but almost all the roads are closed and only accessible via snowmobile or over snow vehicles at this time of year. We are traveling on a budget and we do not have money for something like that. So we just went on the outskirts of town. We visited a grizzly bear and wolf refuge there for animals that have become a bit of a nuisance to society, and instead of them being euthanized, they've been taken to this facility, which is awesome. So that we got to see some grizzlies and some wolves and some otters, which was lots of fun. But yeah, we've got another night in Jackson. We'll insert all the clips for you guys. And then we are headed off to Utah, which is exciting. Trying Taco Bell for the first time, and we just ordered a bunch of random things. We're excited. Verdict?
Slaps. Ranges. We're driving through Teton area. Yeah, they're so cool.
Jackson Hole today and tomorrow. We spent the night in Jackson Hole last night, and it is the coolest little town. We went out for dinner, and then today we are up riding at Jackson Hole Resort.
It's been something that I've wanted to do for a long time, so I'm excited to be here.
It is a beautiful blue sky day. It's negative 13 at the moment, but it's meant to get up to like negative 2, I think. That's what you said?
No, like 2.
Oh, positive 2. There you go. So we'll see how the day goes. Hopefully the snow is nice and we get some good conditions up there. The conditions for our first day at Jackson Hole Resort were just phenomenal. We had such nice blue sky, it was gorgeous warm weather, and even though the snow conditions itself weren't amazing, it was just a great day all round otherwise. When we woke up for our second day though, it was snowing pretty hard in town, and they hadn't got much snow up on the hill, so we decided to give our second day of riding a bit of a miss and start making our way down to Salt Lake City instead. So we sat in a coffee shop for the morning, did some research, we made our way out to the National Elk Refuge in Jackson Hole, saw some big herds of elk, and then went to Maple Grove, which was towards Salt Lake City. Now these were the most gorgeous hot springs, right on the river. There was about 6 different pools, and it only cost us $12 to go for a 3-hour session. We had the most lovely afternoon here, relaxing and rejuvenating before we headed off to Utah. Since we did a sunset session at Maple Grove as well, we found a pullout on the side of the road a little bit further down and slept there for the night, completely uninterrupted, and we had the most gorgeous morning views, as you'll see.
It's a skunk! I've never seen a skunk!
Hey guys, so we're in Salt Lake City at the moment. We're off to an NBA game tonight, Utah Jazz versus Portland Trailblazers. Something that I've wanted to do for a long time, so it should be a good night. I'm speechless right now. That was one run, best day ever.
Why?
Like waist deep snow, just I don't know what to say. So this is Utah Salt Flats. We didn't realise that it was going to be this wet. So it's a lake.
It's the photos of the salt flats look amazing normally, but
Go and Google it, and then look at this.
yeah, it's a bit wetter than we expected. I guess that's what we get for traveling in spring. So we have made it to Vegas. We are officially 10 days into our 5.5, 6 week road trip. We are done with the ski resort part of the trip, although Tahoe in California is getting absolutely dumped on, so we might change things around if it's still like that when we get over to California. But we have a couple of days in Vegas. We are going to the Taylor Swift concert, which I'm stoked about, but we're going to wrap up this part of the vlog here and just do in a few short videos for you guys. So here we are. We've driven from Banff in Alberta all the way down to Vegas, and we've gone through Montana, Nevada, Wyoming. I think that's everything. Utah. So we've done 4 states already. It has been a quick journey, but it has been lots of fun. And now we are off for a few nights in Vegas. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.